is a quick tutorial to show you how to buy stuff online. Okay, so click the link that was sent to you. Click the link to the product that you want to buy, or you can copy and paste it into your web browser. In this case, we're using the pregnancy watch. We want to buy the pregnancy watch by Pastor Wonola Adetayo. So I'll just paste the link. This is the link. Then that will load the page. You can click if you have a clickable link that was sent to you, or you can just paste the link into your browser, or you can type it into your browser. This is the address. So once you are there, it will take you, once you type the address into your web browser, it will bring you here. So this is the book. Okay, so you click on add to cart. So can you see the pregnancy watch has been added to your cart? Then you click on view cart. Okay, so once you have added to cart and you have viewed cart, you are here. If that is all that you want, then you proceed to checkout. If you want to buy more than one copy, you can do that here. Quantity, you can buy 2, 3. You see that it will update here. Once you update that, it's going to update. So you click update cart. Okay, so it will update in the cart totals. So you are going to see it here. Can you see? So 3 copies now. So you have this. But if you are buying only one, just add one and then you update cart again. Okay, so once you have updated your cart, or once you have what you want in the cart, then you just go to proceed to checkout. If you want to buy other products, maybe you are buying more than one thing, maybe you need something else on the shop, you can go back to shop and then pick all the other products you want. But once you are done, just proceed to checkout. If you are using the platform for the first time, you will need to register, and registration is very simple. Just enter your details as requested here. Enter your details and create an account. Okay, and enter your details, then you place your order. Okay, so what this does is that once you have an account, you can always log in anytime to access your information. If there is any dispute, for example, also it's easy to trace it. But if you don't have an account, then that will not be possible. But once you create an account, you can see, okay, what have I bought, how much have I paid, okay, I want to re-download my products. You will have easy access to that. I have already created an account before because I've bought from here before, so I will just click to log in. But if you have not done that before, then you should create an account. So but in my case, I will simply click to log in, or maybe I should create another account to demonstrate the process for the benefit of those that might just be doing this for the first time. Okay. So instead of just checking out, it's good to create an account. So tick this, create an account, so that you can track your orders, you can go back and see your information anytime. Then once you've done that, how do you want to pay? You can do a direct bank transfer, or you can pay with your credit or debit card. We advise that you pay with credit or debit card because that gives you instant access to the product you are purchasing. If you are using direct bank transfer, we have to confirm from the bank and all of that before you can receive your product. So just click credit or debit card and then place order. Can you see? So it will bring you here to give you a summary of your order. Then you click pay now. Enter your card details. If you are paying with your card, you can also pay with your bank depending on the bank you are using. If you are using any of these banks, you can log on to you can pick the bank and then log on to your online banking platform. It will direct you to log on to your online banking platform and you can pay from there. You can pay with GTB 737 or Visa's QR code, but we are going to pay with card here. So it's easy to pay with card. So you just enter your card details, then enter the expiry date, enter the CVV code. I'm not going to enter my card details for security reasons. Okay, I'm not going to enter my card details, but once you have done that, once you have entered your card details, just click pay. So once you pay, you will be directed to a page where you can download what you have bought. I hope that helps. Please let me know if you have any question or encounter any issue. Thank you.